Hey Pathway Nerds, I am Rayyan and today we are cracking the code on the one of the pillars of object-oriented programming, inheritance. Don't worry, no family drama involved, and I promise this explanation will be shorter than a WhatsApp up line over who gets grandma's jewelry. Stick around because by the end of this video, you will not only understand inheritance but also why every child class secretly whispers thanks dad, I mean base class. Okay, so now let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with loving it. So guys, in today's video of the Python, I am telling you about the inheritance in OOP, in object oriented programming. So let's start. Inheritance is the one of the fundamental pillars of OOP, allowing a class, child class, to acquire properties and methods from another class, parent class. It prompts code, reusability, flexibility, and logical hierarchy. First, single inheritance. In single inheritance, a child class inherits from a single parent class. This is one code example. Let me copy this code example. So first of all, let me copy it and let me come on my Visual Studio Code and let me make a new window and let me make a one file by the name of index.py, and I am making this file on my documents, create file, and yes. So I am pasting this code here. The first of all we define a parent class, in the second we define a child class, and then here we are creating the object of the child class, and the output will become dog barks. In the 13th line, the output will become dog barks. Let me show you. Save it and run it. So you can see the output will become dog barks. Here you can see it. Now, number 2. Why the dog barks output will become? Because in single inheritance, a child class inherits from the single parent class. Number 2. Multi-level inheritance. In multi-level inheritance, a class inherits from a child class, forming a chain. This one code example, here you can see it. Let me copy this code example and then let me paste it. First of all, here we define a parent class, okay. Then here we define an intermediate child class in this, and then here we define a grandchild class. Then in this in the 17th line, we are creating an object of the grandchild class, and in the 18th line, the output will become puppies yap. Okay, let me show you. Save it and run it. Because why the puppies yap output will be coming? Because like I have told you, in the multi-level inheritance, a class inherits from a child class, forming a chain. So that's why the output will be coming, my output will be coming puppies yap. Okay, now number 3, multiple inheritance. In multiple inheritance, a child class can inherit from more than one parent class. This one code example, okay. So now it will give you the output. Let me show you. Like this type of one code let me write. First of all, we define a parent class 1, then parent class 2, and here we define a child class inheriting from a 2 parent class, and here we are creating an object of the child class. The first, in the 18th line, the output will become animal make sounds, and the 19th line, the output will become pets love to play, and the 20th line, the output will become dogs loves running. So let me show you. Save it and run it. So now it will give me animal make sounds. Number 2, pets love to play, dogs love to running. Why this type of output will become? Like I have told you, in the multiple inheritance, a child class can inherit from more than one parent class. Okay. So that's why this type 3 output has been coming. Number 4, hierarchical inheritance. In hierarchical inheritance, multiple child classes inherit from a single parent class. This is one example. Here you can see it. The one example, let me copy and paste it. First, the output will become parent class. First, we define a parent class. Then in the second line, we define a child class 1. Then in the number 2, we define a child class 2. Then in the 17 and 18 line, we creating an objects of the both child classes, like dog variable. In a dog variable, I write like dog double commas, then cat variable, then cat double commas. Here we are creating an object of the both child classes. Then in the 20 line, the output will become dog bark, and in the 21 line, the output will become cat meows. Okay, let me show you. Save it and run it. Here you can see it. Why this type of output will be coming? Because like I've told you, in hierarchical inheritance, multiple child classes inherit from a single parent class. So that's why this is coming, and till here we learn about the hierarchical inheritance. multiple inheritance, number 2 multi-level inheritance, and single inheritance. So let's learn about let's learn more about it. Number 5 is come like hybrid inheritance. Now, hybrid inheritance is a one combination of more than one type of inheritance. However, Python resolves conflicts in this structure using the method resolution order, means MRO. In the short form, it calls MRO. Okay. This one example, and this one code example. Copy it and then paste it. First of all, here we define our parent class. Okay, in the 12th, in the 1 till 4th line, we define a parent class, and in the 7th to 9th line, we define a child class with inheriting from the A, and here we define our another child class. In the 12th to 14th line, we are defining the another child class, and then 17 and 18, 17 till 18, we define a hybrid child class, and in the 21 till 22, here we creating an object of hybrid class. But in the 22 line, the output will become class B, MRO, resolve the conflict. Let me show you. Run it. So there here you can see class B. Here you can see this type of one output will become Y, because like I've told you, hybrid inheritance is a combination of more than one type of inheritance. However, Python resolves the conflicts in this structure using the method resolution order, means MRO. It is the short form of the method resolution order. Now, let me tell you the key takeaways. First, inheritance allows the reusability of a code. Number 2, it establishes a relation between parent and child class. Number 3, Python supports single, multi-level, multiple, hierarchical, and hybrid inheritance. Number 4, method resolution order, means MRO, ensures there is no ambiguity in methods caused during multiple and hybrid inheritance. So okay, in today's video we learn about in the Python what are the inheritance in object-oriented programming. The main topic is with in the inheritance is one of the fundamental pillars of OOP, means the main topic is inheritance, fundamental pillars of OOP. This is the one main topic. Okay, but I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share, and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss any future latest videos about this type of Python videos. And if you do not access my Python playlist, first of all go on to the Google and then search here my channel by the name of Rayyan. So you will be on my channel, and we are very near to 4,050 subscribers. So please complete it. Once you come on my channel, click on the playlist, and once you click on the playlist, click on the Python tutorial, Python full course from scratch. Click on it, this video, bookmark this playlist, and access this playlist, and see my all the videos from 1 to let me come down. There's many videos. Okay, 1 till 176 video we have successfully completed, and our playlist views is 993. So please complete my playlist views to 1000. So please complete it, very near to 1000 views to in my playlist. So please complete it, please visit my playlist. Okay, so but anyways, I meet you next class and next very amazing class. Well folks, that are how inheritance works in Python. It's like inheriting your dad's sense of humor, but this with none of dad jokes. You will get all benefits without the bad puns. So just like a child inherits traits from their parent classes, in Python can inherit methods and attributes from other classes. It's a great way to save time and avoid reinventing the wheel, especially when you are working on a bigger project. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button, share with your friends, and drop your any questions in the comments below. And make sure you are subscribed, because we are got more OOP magic coming your way. Until next time, don't forget to inherit good coding practices and leave those bad habits behind. Happy coding, and see you in the next one.